people? It's Isaiah, Dane, and Elijah. Once again, well, we're starting trying to make our bike sound like a motorcycle.
That's your guys'. This one over here is mine. This is mine.
This one.
Bottle, take off the cap, crash it.
Strike it in.
Piece in here. If it'll fit.
You gotta take off the cap. Give me it. Give me it. Hold it. Hold it.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Hang on. It'll fit. So.
It's fitting.
First, we gotta get it.
It's fitting.
Wait. I did this before.
Just so you guys know, this was all Dane's idea.
No, this was. Wait, Izzy, point at me.
This was all my idea. Okay.
Not all his.
Yes, it was.
Okay,
I'm the
guys.
I'm the one that made
There
it.
we go. We got it. And now,
Here, put it. Here, hold the phone.
that actually took like a minute.
Put it up.
Sorry. We were practicing doing it.
All right, so he's using.
I made this video.
And I'm going to be using a Destiny box. So we should have different sound effects.
So,
What the
let's
freak?
try.
Okay, let's try this guy first. Hear this? This is awesome! Now that,
Turns up, guys.
now we're gonna do the next one. So there we go.
Face it at me.
No, not yet.
You like face
Fine.
it at me. So it turns out it actually sounded like a motorcycle. We'll be doing this more often, putting in different water bottles. But let's try this next one.
Which the wheels are smooth. Mine are bumpy, so it should have a different sound.
Now go. Two different freaks.
So that will be the end of the video. Just so you know, this is all our first video. And remember to like and subscribe.
And these two ones were different noises.
Let's all get
So
in.
like,
Let's all get in.
so
Bye, everyone.
bye. Bye. Okay, bye.